Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Different reaction, random reaction. Yeah, throwback. So we're there with the Gully God himself. We cannot go in this segment and don't react to a Gully God. Can you know what's the Gully God and the Gully God? Yes. We're there with Gully God, no chorus. This was one of the songs where we say, yo, Gully God, bumbo clot. Who get the idea, bro? But it's bad. That song you name no chorus because it not have no chorus in it, brother. Straight verse, straight lyrics a chop. You know how much bar him giving that one, yeah? But the one upon the Rave rhythm, one of my favorite rhythms of all time by Steven, the genius. So let me know if you want me to react to the Cartel pan rhythm too. Actually, no, I'm gonna react to the Cartel pan rhythm. Bumbuckler. I'm gonna react to the Cartel pan rhythm. So, Movado there with no chorus. Mr. Brooks. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Let's go. War. Let's go.
Fool, Steven. Yeah, that's it. I kill them without even a chorus. Niggas be killing. Yeah.
When the warrior go on with Cartel and Vado, when they go to one party, you have Gully over there, so you have Gaza over there. So when Gaza play, when Cartel play, Cartel fans them run out and be a shot of fire. When Gully sang them a play, Gaza fans them quat. Gully fans them time for run out. Mad thing, those were the fucking days. Let's go.
Yeah, that's it. Niggas be killing. I want to them.
Yeah.
Want them in a Steve.
The man make sure tell you in the start of the song, say, listen, me I kill them without no chorus. No chorus.
Yeah, that's it. I kill them without even a chorus. Niggas be
without
killing.
even a chorus.
I want to them.
That one never get bad. Let's go.
Want them in a Steve.
Because Stephen, warn them you tell Stephen. Stephen, warn them, tell them something evil in bro. Warn them you tell them say they ramp with me, I go kill them without a chorus. Watch out!
Warn them in a Stephen, because me evil. Dead. Want them chasing like their knees, but when my rifle squeeze, boy, they on the freezer.
Oh, bucklat! Wait! Them chasing like their knees. But when the rifle squeeze, boy, they on the freezer. Freeze. Yo! Wait till the boss touch the lyrics them. Am I singing now, you know? Am I singing now? With the lyrics them chopping.
Them chasing like their knees.
But when
my rifle squeeze, boy, they on the freezer. Freeze, bossy special till it breeze. Youngster.
Bossy special till it breeze. Bossy special till it breeze. Till the breeze cock, nothing left in night, nothing. Yeah.
On the freezer, freeze, bossy special till it breeze. Youngster no take no leave. Rifle shot a bite them like bees.
Hold on. You ready? Rifle shot a bite them like bees. You ready now? Watch out.
Rifle shot a bite them like bees. With them one bag of lipping like a lipstick war. White pan me name like a biscuit war. Hey, fuck, tell the frag this is not kids war. Run up in on me gun and boy face pantar.
Hold down! With them one bag of lipping like a lipstick war. Pipe on me name like a biscuit war. Hey, fuck, tell the frag this is not kids war. Run up in on me gun and boy face pantar. See it? Now the boy them panicking. Cause them now shot a soul them only kill mannequin. The first head boss them vanity. Head, voila! Hey!
Fool, Steven. Yeah, that's it.
Them time and them kick on the side. Reside on the red flag. Reside on the dead pan. There was only two sides. There was only Gully and Gaza. You have to say one or the other. You couldn't be mutual in these times. Ready?
chasing like Denise. But when my rifle squeeze, boy, they on the freezer.
Freeze.
Bossy special to the
breeze.
Youngster no take no leave. Fool, Steven. Yeah, that's it. I kill him without even a chorus. Niggas be killing.
Me angry with you in the comment section, you know. Me angry with the whole in the comment section. I don't see one person say to react to that song, yeah. On the wicked. On the wicked. Bumbo clap, on the wicked. Because. Ready.
Chasing like Denise.
But
when my rifle squeeze,
boy, they pan the freeze.
Bossy special to the breeze. Youngster no take no leave. Rifle
Hold on to Bumbo clap. Hold on, wait. Fan break. You can't react to them singing in a normal way, dog. You can't react to them singing in a normal Bumbo clap way. You know? Ready? Bumbo clap. Ready.
Fool.
We not rush it. We not rush it.
Niggas be killing.
We not rush it.
I want to die.
Why you got dead now?
I never know Steve. We call me evil. Dead.
Them chasing.
Like Denise. But when my rifle squeeze, boy, they on the freezer.
Freeze.
Bossy special to the breeze. Youngster no take no leave. Rifle shot a bite them like bees. With them one bag of lippin'
Like a lipstick war.
Wipe on me name like a biscuit war.
Hey, fuck, tell you.
Frag, this is not kids war.
Hey,
Run up in on the gun and boy face one car.
Now the boy them panicking. Bumbleclad! Wait. We can't. We not rush this, you know. We not rush the Bumbleclad reaction, you know, dog. I don't me telling the two, you know. Cause me can't believe that no one say you react to this, dog. Ready.
So them only kill mannequin.
Wait, me lose my headphone, wait. Why? Wait. Bumbleclad! Hey! Then they know.
Said boss him vomiting and no one right. Fool. Steven. Yeah, that's it.
Ready.
I kill them without even a chorus.
Ready.
Just be killing. I want to die.
To me, this is the baddest Movado song ever.
One never know
Steve.
We call me
Dead. Ready.
Them chasing like Denise. But when my rifle squeeze,
Boy, they on the freezer.
freeze. Bossy special to the breeze. Youngster no take no leave. Rifle shot a bite them like bees.
Ready now.
With them one bag of lippin' like a lipstick war. Bite on me name like a biscuit war. Hey, fuck, tell the frag, this is not kids war.
So this was when Rhino them are get involved and Popcorn them are get involved and Javinci them are get involved. He must say, yo, hey Fag, tell your frag, this is not kids war. So I tell Cartel if you tell him friend them, so this is not kids war. Hey!
Rifle shot a bite them like bees. With them one bag of lippin' like a lipstick war. Bite on me name like a biscuit war. Hey, fuck, tell the frag, this is not kids war. Run up in on me gun and boy face one tar. Now the boy them panicking. Cause them nah shot a soul, them only kill mannequin.
The boy them nah shot a soul, the fucker them panicking right now. Them nah shot a soul, them only kill mannequin. The first head bust them.
First head bust him vomiting. And no one rifle clap on him vanishing.
If you don't know nothing about
real killer, I'm gonna tell you something about real killer. Real killer, I'm chatting with no real enough. Me dogs on.
If you don't know nothing about real killer, let me tell you something about real killer. Real killer, I'm not chatting with no.
Bust him vomiting. And no one rifle clap on him vanishing. If you don't know nothing about real killer, let me tell you something about real killer. Real killer, I'm not chatting with no real enough. Me dogs on. And them want real enough. If you don't know nothing about real killer,
let me tell you something about
real killer.
It's a off on the road like a
wheel in a rifle bust through your shield in a friend them. And your Paul Vieira, so them a go bring a casket. Put
the man say, yo, your friend them are your pallbearer, so them are gonna bring your casket. And then you go dead now. 6 man bringing your back. 6'6". with 6-piece supply. That is cartel lyrics, but this is what Movado is saying to him.
Wheeling a rifle bust through your shield in your friend them. And your Paul Vieira, so them a go bring a casket. Put the body at this body right where the box tip. Park the Chinese kid, the Russian chopstick. Blood run out of.
Park the Chinese kid, the Russian chopstick. Russian chopstick are the K, you know. But you have two different type of K, you know. You have the Chinese K them, the Chinese K them, the shorter one them, and you have the long one them where come from Russia. Part the Chinese K, the Russian chopstick, so 2K, two different type of K you get right there, so.
Put the body at this body right where the box tip. Park the Chinese K, the Russian chopstick. Blood run out of boy like when them girls sick. I pay sitting.
Blood run out of boy like when them girls sick. When a girl upon her month, they end up already. I saw blood that run out of your Jesus.
The Russian chopstick. Blood run out of boy like when them girls sick.
I pay sitting. Hey, I pay sitting and I pay sitting.
Steve, play the rhythm that they lay sitting.
No chorus. I be sitting and I be sitting. Steve, play the rhythm of the little bob.
Chinese kid, the Russian chopstick. Blood run out of boy like when them girls sick. I be sitting. Hey, I be sitting and I play sitting. Steve, play the rhythm that they lay sitting. Long time Jamaican, you miss lacing. Run up in on my gun. With the dopey back of you. Stuck in a cap on him, stuck in a cap at him.
Wait. How do you run up in a gun with dopey back of them? Wait, man.
Steve, play the rhythm that they lay sitting. Long time Jamaican, you miss lacing. Run up in on my gun. With the dopey back of you. Stuck in a cap on him, stuck in a cap at him. Black don't rise and bleach out, get black at him. Rifle.
Black don't rise and bleach out, head black at him. Remember say cartel bleach them time, man.
Stuck in a cap on him, stuck in a cap at him. Black don't rise and bleach out, get black at him. Rifle rise and kick them like Sakatu. The God gather, they ain't no damn other two.
Rifle rise and kick them like Sakato. The gully god are #1 and there ain't no damn other two.
Get black at two. Rifle rise and kick them like Sakatu. The gully god there ain't no damn other two.
A motherfucker don't tell me boy you mother too. I'm so mad I'll murder your brother to your motherfucker don't tell me boy you're mad. We don't care about that. I'm so mad I will murder your brother too. Everybody in your family can get it if they want it. They can get it if they really want, oh yeah.
Oh damn other two, a motherfucker don't tell me boy your mother too. I'm so mad I'll murder your brother too. You're chasing like Dan and Avatou.
If you don't
know nothing but real blue steel. Me not talk no cat wheel, bumbo wallet spin like me van wheel.
If you don't know real, me not talk no yo, bumbo clad, mother.
Like Dan and Avatou. If you don't know nothing but real blue steel. Me not talk no cat wheel, bumbo wallet spin like me van wheel.
Them time I drive the X5. No, is a Range Rover I drive them time now. I'm sure.
Me not talk no cat wheel,
bumbo wallet
spin like me van wheel.
If you don't know,
real killer, I never met a about real killer, but got the bill with no real enough.
Steve, watch out, Steve man in your send for.
And that the bumbo wallet life does end for.
You know what? Right to get fed up.
That end for. I'm mentally crazy, men for.
Mad. Them bad like me. Them sick like me. Oh yeah.
When me say sick, me not talk sick for public, me a talk. Me deep not talk.
Fucking crazy.
You know what this I don't even
use no chorus, or any chorus, or any chorus of chorus.
Cause in my gun, ain't got no rusties and I'll be sending niggas to where the fucking dust is.
Oh fuck.
Mad. I'm some fool.
Yo. In a them time yeah, when them two artists are war now. Up at Hammer Heights, you have Idonia rent a house right beside a busy. Right beside a Vado house, you know. So the two artists, obviously Cartel and Vado now link. Cartel and Donia link. You see me? So, bro, that was a crazy war, bro. That was a crazy, and we will never see nothing like that in a dancehall again. You see me? Me surprised say, who don't say react to that song, your dog. Nobody not say it. Who don't think Gully God? We can't go throw back and down go Gully God, brother. Come on, dog. We don't do better than that, man. We don't put some respect on the genie, man. No, come on. No, come on, man. Come on, man. Shit. Anyway, if you want to see more of them something, just let me know what I go on, dog. Let me know. Drop it in the comment section, you know? Yeah!
Jamaica's worst gamer!